Now, usually, I wouldn't work with a piece of wood that has this much rot to it, but my wife saw it, fell in love with it, so here we are. I'm going to be doing the side of this by hand. That way I can keep all the natural curves and burrows on it as much as possible. Be sure to mix the epoxies very thoroughly. You want it to be completely clear before moving on to the next step. And I'm going to give it a light cover coat of clear resin to really help seal and protect everything because this piece was so rotted. I'll be leaving a link down below where you can get this pigment and ones like it from Eye Candy. If you go through the link and use Stallion Craftsman, you can even get a discount, and who doesn't like to save money? Plus they even give me back a little. Now I'm going to be sanding this shelf 80 all the way through the grits to 180, water popping between every grit. Water popping is just spraying the surface, getting it slightly moist so the grain raises up, making it so when it dries it can sand off and make it smoother for the next sanding step. Now I'm just cleaning off the shelf with mineral spirits to get it nice and clean before I apply the finish. And for this finish, it's not going to be getting too much attention of things setting on it. For example, coffee cups or anything that could cause much of a stain. It's mainly just going to be used to set decoration. So for that, I'll just be using Osmo wood floor finish, which is still give it a natural and beautiful look. And at the time of posting this video, I only have 14 subscribers. So if you learned anything from it or enjoyed watching it, wouldn't mind go ahead and hitting that subscribe button. That's going to allow me to keep doing this. Thanks again, guys, and I hope to see you on my next video.